Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin with essentials: your account email, the device you use, and the 8-digit recovery code. Keep them together. Open Roblox on the app or browser and go straight to the login screen. Once there, sign out if someone else is logged in. Choose Forgot Password, then pick Use Recovery Code. This bypasses email resets. You do this because recovery codes are single-use offline keys tied to two-step recovery. So starting here avoids delays and keeps control in your hands. Once done entering the 8-digit code, type deliberately, no spaces, no extra characters, because one wrong digit rejects the entire attempt. Make sure to complete any follow-up verification Roblox asks for, like confirming the device or solving a CAPTCHA, since those stop automated attacks. When prompted, create a new password. Choose at least 12 characters with mixed words and symbols, and avoid reusing passwords. After you save, Roblox will relink the account to the current device. Keep your recovery code stored securely. You finish by confirming the new password takes effect. Log out, then log in again to verify. If the code fails, make sure it hasn't expired or been used. Try entering it on another device and double-check for transcription errors. If problems persist, contact Roblox support with account details and proof of ownership. Finally, generate and store a fresh recovery code offline. Write it down or keep it in a password manager, so you're prepared next time and avoid repeating this recovery process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.